Hey guys, don't mind me. Just witnessing a snowstorm. As you can see, practically everything is starting to get covered in snow. I'm not going down there because I'd rather go down there tomorrow whenever all the snow is built up. But yeah, we're getting snow. And we rarely ever get snow here, which I consider the snow a blessing. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that breeze is getting me. Ooh. And don't worry, I am wearing winter jacket, long pants, shoes that are good and everything, so don't worry about me. Whew. Yeah. But from what I know, by tomorrow, this snow down there, it's gonna get very, very deep and high. Like, if I were to put my foot in it, my entire foot and about part of my leg would be in there. That's how deep it's gonna be tomorrow. But yeah, snowstorm. It ain't exactly cold out here, but it's a lot of snow. It's cold enough for snow, which I am grateful about. Look at the road. Let me turn on my flashlight. Give me a second. Torch on. Look at that. See that? Oh, you can see the snow now. Oh. Yeah. Well, I'll catch up with you guys in the morning and I'll show you what the snow has turned into. Hey guys, I'm back. So the snow got a lot worse last night, and this is the aftermath of it. Whew, it's really cold out there. I am not allowed to go outside because it is -1 degrees. It was -4 degrees, it got decreased to -2 degrees, but now it's officially -1 degrees. So, yeah. The power actually went out twice last night. But, yeah, it's really snowy and cold out there. Yep. Wow. But yeah, I cannot go out there. I don't have, like, winter stuff to go out there. It's really cold out there. I wish I could go out there to show you guys stuff, but I really can't. So yeah, there's that. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm still trying to figure out how to turn on comments and stuff. I don't know how to do that crap. I'm still trying to figure it out. But other than that, you guys enjoy.